Ansible handlers are like the backstage crew of a play, quietly waiting until called upon. They don't run unless explicitly notified, which keeps things efficient. Imagine needing to restart a service only when a configuration changes. Handlers make that happen. They execute at the end, ensuring smoother transitions without unnecessary interruptions. Handy right? I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Think of handlers like a waiter taking an order. They don't act until they're told. They execute only when triggered by the notify directive. This helps optimize Ansible automation by ensuring commands run exactly when needed. Pretty smart approach to avoid unnecessary processing, don't you think? Multiple handlers are like a well-coordinated orchestra, each playing at the right moment for a harmonious result. By grouping related tasks, you reduce redundancy and optimize execution. Plus, you get better control over automation, ensuring tasks run in a logical order. Let's make automation actually work for us. Defining handlers in Ansible is as simple as naming them and setting their trigger points. Think of it as assigning tasks, you name them, and they step in when needed. This setup boosts efficiency and allows for better reusability. Why do the same work twice, right? Picture notify as a VIP pass. It lets handlers know when they're needed. Without it, handlers just sit in the background doing nothing. By triggering them appropriately, we ensure automation remains smooth and resource efficient. It's like summoning the right tools exactly when required. You can call multiple handlers in one go. Think of it like a domino effect. One trigger can set off a chain of events, all neatly structured in order. It's automation but with discipline. No chaos, just well-orchestrated efficiency. Grouping handlers with listen is like creating a super squad. One notify call can activate multiple handlers effortlessly. This approach keeps things neat, readable, and incredibly powerful for automation. Less clutter, more clarity. Imagine a system update where only affected services restart. Handlers make that happen. Instead of blanket restarts, we fine-tune automation so only necessary services reboot. Smart right? Handler execution is all about timing, like queuing actors onto the stage in the correct order. By defining them properly, you ensure tasks don't step on each other's toes. Think of it as strategic automation. We've all been there. Your handler decides to run not once, but twice, like an over-enthusiastic intern eager to impress. To avoid this chaos, we set proper conditions, optimize execution order, and check logs. Trust me, nothing feels better than watching your handlers behave just as expected. Handlers need direction, just like we need coffee before decisions. The when condition helps us control execution, avoiding pointless reruns. Using variables and facts ensures precision, while keeping things simple saves us from debugging headaches. Because we all love code that behaves. Handlers in roles. It's like a VIP pass for efficiency. When we define them at the role level, we reuse them across tasks, leading to cleaner playbooks and fewer headaches. Think of it as organizing your kitchen, everything in its place, ready to go when needed. Errors happen like spilling coffee, but worse. Handlers come to the rescue. Capturing failures, retrying wisely, and logging errors make debugging a breeze. So instead of panicking when things break, we set up handlers to handle failures smoothly. Writing good handlers is like writing good jokes, clear, concise, and effective. Modular handlers save time, meaningful names prevent confusion, and minimizing dependencies avoids messy execution. And of course, testing ensures no surprises when things run. Mistakes happen, sometimes more often than we'd like, but learning from them is key. Skipping conditions, ignoring errors, or overcomplicating logic leads to nightmares. Monitoring execution helps us stay ahead. Think of debugging like detective work, except we're solving mysteries in our code. So we've tackled handlers from every angle, ensuring they execute efficiently, conditionally, and with proper error handling. Applying best practices makes life easier. Now, if only everything in life had handlers, we'd all be debugging less and celebrating more. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.